Come, let's go. Hello everyone, I'm Kasper from Poland, and today the place I am standing in right now might just change your way of thinking about traditional farming. Welcome to Xinjiang, China. And what if I told you that I found a way of how to redefine the future of agriculture? Let's go! What you're seeing now is the fleet of smart farming robots. Wow, it's so big. I never seen this in such close distance. It's blow-minding. This is Hongyan 100. Every drone has their own identity. This one is 22. This is not only used for flight but also agricultural purposes like aerial seeding, irrigation, mosquito control or pest control. Here the main character of agriculture is quietly changing. Now we've arrived at the practice site. This big guy is called T3000. It's incredibly powerful. Its span arm can extend up to 21 meters, keeping same pressure from end to end. Whoa, I never experienced that before. It's like playing a video game and I can control a robot on my own. It's really impressive. I feel the power of the technology in this place. I am Kasper in Xinjiang, witnessing the future with you. See you next time, bye!